Hello friends and fellow Hypebeasts, I hope you're all having a wonderful day and I hope you're ready to spend some money because, well, I mean, you can probably guess I did spend some money. Because what else would I do? Anyways, today I have a holiday gift guide for you for all those Hypebeasts in your life. These are the best items under $100 on the SSENSE sale as of right now, in my opinion, obviously. I mean, you might completely disagree with all of this, and in that case, I'm sorry. I bought some items. I bought these on the second day of the SSENSE sale. We are now in week 3 of the sale, so it's honestly going to be a surprise what I got because I haven't opened it since I ordered it. So yeah, but one thing that I need to address before we get into today's video is, yes, SSENSE is 100% legit. I've spent thousands of dollars and everything I've ever received has been 100% authentic, so buy with confidence, honestly. I mean, SSENSE is as legit as it gets. Like, don't even worry. I know they have amazing deals, but that's just how they roll. You know, they're just looking out for us. But let's get into this and see what the best Hypebeast items are under $100. So first up, we have these Saturday New York City socks. I mean, Saturdays is one of my favorite brands. Everything they do is just super comfy, and these socks feel amazing. Ooh, they so thick. They're so thick. They're such a nice sock. So I think these were like $11. Like I said, I bought this like 3 weeks ago, so you're gonna get a better deal now than I got, but I think when I just checked they were $11. I probably paid more. I mean, anything by Saturdays I recommend, as you'll see as this video continues. They make just high quality stuff, but the only downside to it is most of their stuff says Saturdays on it. And if you wear it on not a Saturday, people don't like that, but that's fine. You do you, you know? Next up, I wear a lot of side bags, and this Nike bag was like $17, I think, which is honestly a steal. Anytime you can get something under $20, like, just, that's good. And especially it's Nike, it's nice. It's like not a big bag, not too small of a bag, it's just big, you know? You can fit some things in there. Let's throw this bad boy on. But yeah, just a nice little essentials piece, you know? You can't go wrong if you have a Nike themed fit. Just toss her on there to put your racks on racks in, right? Woo! Since we're on the topic of socks, Mackenzie, I know this is getting uploaded after we've had our Friendsmas, but I'm sorry. I'm opening these up just to give the viewers what they deserve, a nice little peek. These are Kenzo socks. I think these are like $35 or something, and Kenzo's obviously a really well-known designer brand. I just checked, and unfortunately these ones are sold out, but they have other Kenzo socks. And honestly, I think socks are just a great gift option. Like, you can't go wrong with a comfy pair of socks. Right now I'm wearing some wild socks. You can see on the other camera. I'm gonna fall over, but yeah, I'm a big fan of socks, and these Kenzo socks feel amazing. Mackenzie gets a pair of Kenzo socks pretty much every Christmas, so I'm sure he can vouch that they're comfy. They're made in Italy. Socks are a great gift option, in my opinion. I found this Levi's t-shirt on SSENSE, and I just honestly, I dig it. Like, I really dig it. It's just bright and crazy, and the backwards Levi's gives it kind of like that, oh no, what's that word? What is the word I'm looking for? But yeah, it's a cool look. I think this t-shirt was like $30 or something, or $20, I don't know. Next up we have, so this is getting into the higher price items. I think this one was like $40, but this is a Saturday's New York City shirt, and I'm gonna be real with you right now. I wear a lot of t-shirts, as you can see from here. My closet's full of t-shirts, and Saturday's NYC makes by far the comfiest t-shirts, and they're affordable. Like I said, this one was like $40 on sale, I think, and it's like, this one isn't for me. This is a Christmas gift for my friend. But it's super comfy. I would highly recommend Saturday's NYC. If you don't want a shirt that says Saturdays because you want to wear it on a day other than Saturday, or you just want to be ironic, they do have shirts that don't say Saturdays. So you can look for that. Alright, you know what's missing though? We have, my mouth is crusty from the pizza I just ate. Whoops. We have socks from Saturdays, shirt from Saturdays, Kenzo, we have Nike. But like, for it to be a real SSENSE video, I think you know what it needs. We need some Off-White. And luckily for you, we have some Off-White. Off-White still hasn't released their iPhone 11 cases, which is like, come on. Virgil. Like, I know you're like, think you're busy and stuff, but like us iPhone 11 users need off-white cases. Like, Louis Vuitton can be put on hold. Your like museum show, put it on hold. Off-white SS20, put it on hold. iPhone 11 phone cases, that's where you should focus your attention. This is the phone case for, I don't even know, the iPhone X, I think. It's now on sale for $55. I did not get it for $55, unfortunately, and I already did my price match guarantee, or my price beat, whatever, price adjustment. So yeah, but you can learn from that, and you can get this case now for $55. They have a bunch of iPhone 10 cases for that price. If you have an iPhone 10 and you want a hype case, there's lots on there for sale. Like I said, this one's like $55 now. I think it's like 56% off. But I have two other items that I want to recommend that I didn't actually pick up, but I might pick up for myself in the coming weeks. There will be more SSENSE videos, especially after Boxing Day. We're going to do a huge haul of everything I bought, but we need to recommend some shoes because, as you can tell by my wall behind me, shoes are a big part of my life. And for under $100 right now, you can get the Nike React Element 55s in just like that black colorway. I think they're like 50% off or something. I think they're around $90. And they have all the sizes still available, and they're honestly just a great basic shoe, you know, an essential piece. Like I said, most of these are just essentials because for under $100 for Hypebeast stuff, that's pretty much all you can get. Obviously, you can pick up Champion, Fila. I don't even know what other brands are in right now, but you can find it on SSENSE. Actually, I don't know if you can find Fila, but Champion is for sure on SSENSE. And then that's our Nike shoe, and from Adidas, you can get the Pharrell Hues or whatever, like the Ultra Boost looking ones. I personally think those are really nice. I don't have a pair because I'm not the biggest fan of Ultra Boosts, but if you are, or if someone you're gifting for is, then that's a really good deal for under $100, a pair of like Pharrell shoes. Like, not bad, not bad. And obviously there's a plethora of Vans and Converse, like any colorway you want is on sale right now. So hopefully you can pick up some nice gifts for the people on your holiday lists this holiday season. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. Once again, SSENSE is 100% legit, okay? Everything they sell is legit. Believe me, I've spent a lot of money there and everything is legit. Okay? So don't say, is SSENSE legit? Yes, it is. You can buy with confidence, honestly, and they don't pay me to say that, even though I really wish they did because I spent way too much money there. But that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I do really appreciate each and every one of you. But yeah, happy holidays. I hope you can pick up some dope gifts, and let me know in the comments down below what you picked up. All right? Okay, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
No, no, no.